Hi guys, today I'm here with a larger package, and that's the hot and iced coffee maker for ground coffee and K-cups. So you can make larger sizes with ground coffee and do single cups with the K-cup. So it's not just like any kind of normal standard edition of a coffee maker. This is a really luxury coffee maker. So I'm going to unbox it, show you all the details and how to use it. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. So let's open the box here and see what we get. User manual. The coffee maker, of course, comes nicely protected. And so we get a lot of information. Here we get some basic usage tips already. Then we get this quick starter guide. It's actually much more. I mean, they are saying quick starter guide, but you can see it's very comprehensive, even with some troubleshooting tips and a lot of information how you can use this thing. And you get even a recipe book here. That's super interesting. You can make your pumpkin spice iced coffee, something which I'm really going to try. Absolutely awesome. And so here on top we get this K-cup holder, and here's the coffee maker itself. Comes with decent cable, good, strong, good quality, 2-prong. Comes with a lot of stickers, so make sure that you remove everything. And so we have everything here, but before we start, of course, it is highly recommended to clean all the washable parts. So we remove the water tank here easily and wash it with mild soap water, rinse it and then fill it with filtered water. So we are going to do that now, but it's highly recommended to do it directly on the water filter in the kitchen and not do it here because it could spill. Also be aware of the maximum fill level, which is 30 ounces. But we have also some cleanable parts here inside, and that's this coffee ground holder. By the way, the lid is nicely secured, so we can open it from here. Here it is attached to the strainer. So we definitely want to clean this one, and also of course the K-cup holder. And after that we choose what we want. By the way, there's a maximum fill level here inside. It's a little bit hard to see. It's around in this area down there. There's a line here imprinted, but it's really nice to see how large this is. So this will fit definitely for super large size for the whole family or for you for the whole day. But for this time we want to go with the K-cup. So we place it here, but we are not using the K-cup now because we want to make a cleansing run for the first time. So we place a glass here. There's no on-off button, so we just plug it into the power and then it will turn on automatically. For the cleansing we choose 8 ounces and strong. And while it's heating up, it's blinking. And then it starts automatically. You don't have to do anything. Just wait a little bit, give it some time. And you can see it starts dripping down nicely. And now the rest of it, and you can see with the strong brew, it does like a pre-brew and then stops for a little bit and then does the rest. This is exactly what we want to see. And now it's finished. We can see and hear that. Stops automatically, really nice. Then starts repumping the water and finally fully stops. So there's absolutely nothing to hear now, but it's super hot. Yeah, when I come close, I can feel that it's super hot. This is a double wall glass and I can barely hold it, so definitely a sign that it's heating up really nicely. So now we are ready for the real brew. What's also important to know is that we can flip this part here. That's the overflow or the dripping container. So we cannot only use it like that. We can turn it around, put it on like that, and we can still use this cover here. Everything still safe, so we can elevate the whole thing for smaller cups to produce less dripping. Really nice design. And so now it's time to place the K-cup inside. We leave everything here. We just put the K-cup here inside and close the lid, and then it will puncture it on the top and at the bottom. And so we are ready for the K-cup brewing. I'm choosing 8 ounces. And regular brewing, and I start the timer. Yeah, starts dripping now. And so I think we are getting to the end of the whole brewing. Yeah, 1 minute 50 seconds or so for the 8 ounces. Coffee has a great color, so let's taste it. Yeah, exactly how we are expecting that. Really nice smell, nice taste. And so let's also check the capsule. Let's take it out and see at the top and at the bottom, very clean, no mess at all. And it did also a great job here down on not spilling, absolutely dry. There are no drops, no nothing. So I would say as good as it gets, comes with all the functions, has even a descaling reminder. It's really stylish, has all the functions, everything seems to be really solid, good quality. So I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.